Meet Tarbia Majors, the stunning plus-size fashion model and body positivity advocate from Nashville, Tennessee, born on March 19, 1990. Tarbia is 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighs around 216 pounds, known for her curvy hourglass figure. She graduated magna cum laude with a degree in music from the University of Memphis. But her journey took a turn when she moved to Los Angeles and started modeling. Tarbia rose to fame with features in Sports Illustrated, Swimsuit, Savage, X Fenty, and collaboration with Fashion Nova, Torrid, and Kafshi. Beyond modeling, Tarbia co-hosts the podcast The Thick, promoting self-love, confidence, and body positivity. She is also a proud mother, inspiring millions to embrace their natural beauty and challenge fashion industry standards. With over 1 million followers on Instagram, Tarbia Majors continues to redefine what it means to be a confident, curvy woman in the modern world. Thanks for watching this video.